Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make money puttu. This is a very famous breakfast recipe in South India. Very healthy and filling breakfast. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, I have taken 1 cup of rice flour. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Use homemade ghee for best taste and results. I've already made a video on how to make homemade ghee. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Give all the ingredients a very good mix. Then add 1 cup of hot water little by little until you get a chapati dough consistency. Now we have the proper consistency. Allow it to cool a little. Then pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Likewise, make all the balls and keep it ready. Also keep ready half cup of grated coconut. Today I have taken a puttu steamer. Place the fitting that comes along with the puttu steamer. Now fill with the grated coconut in the bottom, then with the rice balls. Then again with the grated coconut. Then again with the rice balls and finally with the grated coconut on top. Close the puttu steamer and it's now ready to get steamed. Steam for 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes you can see the steam is coming out from the holes near the lid. It means it's done, so remove from the steamer. Remove the lid and slide the money puttu directly to your serving plate using a rolling pin. Remove the fitting we added in the beginning. Now a healthy and delicious money puttu is ready. Let's check out how to make ragi puttu. This is a very famous breakfast recipe in South India. Very healthy and a filling breakfast recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of ragi flour. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of ghee. Use homemade ghee for best taste and results. I've already made a video on how to make homemade ghee. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Give all the ingredients a very good mix. Then start to sprinkle a little water at a time and mix it well. Make sure not to add a lot of water at a time. Now we have the proper consistency, so stop adding water and our puttu filling is now ready. Also keep ready half cup of grated coconut. Today I have taken 2 katoris. Grease it well with some ghee. Fill a layer with the grated coconut. Then add the puttu filling up to 3/4. Now it's all ready to get steamed. Heat a pan. Into this add 1 cup of water. Place a steamer on top. Now place both the katoris on the steamer. Close it with a lid and let this steam for 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes the ragi puttu is well done, so off the flame and open the lid. Let this cool for 2 minutes. Now a healthy ragi puttu is ready. You can transfer it to a serving plate and serve it hot with some palm jaggery and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a healthy recipe. So do try this ragi puttu recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.